Hello, YouTube. This is some ideas for Black Ops. Also, this is one of my new videos. I deleted all my videos off my account, so yeah, pretty much this is the easiest BMW emblem ever. All you do is get one ring, which is this one. Put it right there. Get another ring. That's just for there, that outline. Square are these things. Yeah. And the circle is for that. So it's pretty much cool. Yeah. I'll be posting some more. Just please comment, subscribe, everything. I will be hosting posting a tutorial for this. So yeah, don't forget to sub, comment, everything. Thank you. Bye bye.